Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys me redoing my room. I've been in quarantine for about 3 months and my room was kind of stuck in a phase. I now go to college, so I'm never really home. And I thought it'd be best just to redo my room and get a bigger bed, just have it look more adultish than high school / middle school Toni. So I started off with clearing out the drawers at the bottom of my bed. This bed is a twin size bed, so I was going to be getting a new bed, so I was just taking everything out, and this was like the extra storage unit. So the bed frame is being sold, and as y'all can see, I cleared out all the drawers, and all that is in here. Here's all my stuff, and I got rid of some stuff. Here's a bag full of stuff that I'm getting rid of. That's hair, garbage. Still a lot to do, but here we are so far. Still looks crazy, but I can't wait for the final results. Hey guys, so I just picked up a dresser. So we bought a used dresser. We got it from Facebook. They Facebook their little market shop thing that they have. And it was only a year old and it looks brand new. So I'm very excited. We were gonna get like a brand new one, but I didn't mind having, my mom was gonna get one, but I told her we could just get a used one because like used ones aren't they're not as expensive, and then just get a really good quality one. So it was about he put it up there for $275, but we got it down to $200. So yeah, my parents are bringing it up now. Let me show you my room right now because it's in shambles. So I literally just moved out of college. I don't know if I'm gonna put that video up or not of me moving out, but we'll see regardless. But yeah, this is how my room's looking. So I slept on a blow-up bed last night. Before I was sleeping in the family room, but I went to sleep upstairs now because I have my TV now. Got my TV back from school. But yeah, here's how my room's looking. A whole bunch of craziness. This desk is going away too. I think I told y'all that. And here's all my stuff. Just a bunch of stuff. So on today's agenda is just to start organizing a little bit, get stuff into the drawers of the dresser, and yeah, that's gonna be the first one. I just want to get at least get rid of stuff. I have a bunch of my college stuff here in the family room downstairs, and just getting stuff that needs to be upstairs and go downstairs for next semester. So yeah, here's the dress. Let me show you guys.
1, 2, 3.
So here they are bringing it in. I'm a little push. Me doing nothing. I'm just here while they're doing everything. And I look a mess. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, the dresser's going right here. Okay, day 3 of getting this room together. My headboard came in the other day, but it was malfunctioned. So I'm getting a new headboard. So that's the headboard. It's actually like a tan color, and it's kind of annoying, but it's fine. It malfunctioned a bit, and we're gonna get a new one. They're letting us keep the old one, so I think my sister's gonna keep that old headboard. And then down here is just like a whole craziness going on, a bunch of it. Here's my mattress that's going in my room, and then this is like all the stuff that's from my college dorm studio apartment. So I need to get this organized, see what I'm going to bring upstairs and what's going to go downstairs in the basement. So yeah, there's a lot to do. I'm going to clean out the dressers, and y'all going to see me do that, and get stuff inside the dressers and just try and clear out as much space as I possibly can. So I will see you guys in a second while I'm cleaning. Guys, so we are well over the timeline of getting this room done. I kind of got really comfortable because I like set up my room how I wanted it. I was like really cozy, so I basically cleaned up everything, and now I have like a blow bed. It's not made right now, but it was made, and it looked very cute, and I was just really comfortable with how my room looked. Because yeah, but I have a blow bed in here. The bed is still downstairs in a box. There it is. There's my little bed. But yeah, so next part of this room is just getting this desk cleaned out and getting it downstairs. So y'all are gonna watch me basically clean out the desk and then get it into the basement so that we can get the bed upstairs, the mattress and the headboard and bed frame, all that stuff, into this room and get that over and done with. So let me hurry up and get this off my desk. I'm just gonna put everything inside this mini closet, and then after I'm gonna see what I do and don't need, because I won't have a desk anymore. So I'm gonna try and minimize how much stuff I have. So let's get into this. So after taking all the stuff out my desk, my dad basically took it apart, broke it up into pieces, and he got rid of it. I just got this 24-inch glass shelf. That's going to be my new vanity. And then new mini blinds. I told y'all that they broke. And yeah, so far so good. She broke them. Okay. But now we're online. We got here just in time because they were just closing. So far so good. So it's officially day, I don't know, 9 of me organizing, getting my room together. So updates is I got a new mirror. A lot of my stuff is thrifted. Like I got a lot of my stuff from this app called Let Go, OfferUp, or even Facebook, where people selling their old stuff. But I got this really nice mirror that I'm going to use for my vanity. You guys will see it. I only got it for $5 and it's a pretty big mirror. You guys will see. So right now, so I just picked that up today. Right now I'm just reorganizing my makeup, getting rid of old makeup that I don't need anymore, watching some TV while doing that. I just took down the lights that I had around my room, took those down, took down this post on my vision board, my old vision board from like 3 or 4 years ago. I took that down too. But yeah. Oh, and I cleared off this table. My fish tanks can go here, maybe some decorations, and then this is like all like the stuff that was on that table. I'm gonna put it inside my mini closet, and I need to clean out this mini closet like badly. Here are all my nail polishes. I'm gonna put all the nail polishes inside one of these jars over here. And yeah, so just lip liners. I don't know, I'm gonna put makeup brushes here, lip liners here, and then I'm gonna put some of my nail polishes there. So that's the update. Tomorrow we're gonna go pick up a comforter from Home Goods, because Home Goods is officially open. Well, most retail stores are officially opening in New Jersey tomorrow, so I'm excited. And yeah, get something on this bed because I have nothing on it. As you guys can see, it's just junk, a bunch of pillows. A lot of these decorative pillows I'm gonna get rid of. Yeah, so I will see you guys later then, I guess. Tan. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so it is currently 3:30. That's why I may be whispering a little bit, but we made some progress. So here's one section. This area is basically about ready. Had the fish tank here, some aesthetically pleasing stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this, but we'll see. I reorganized all my makeup. This is all the makeup I'm keeping. And then I have a bag. This black bag is full of makeup that I'm gonna donate because a lot of the makeup I have is either unused or used slightly. What's it called? It's like gently used. There we go. So here's all the makeup I have left. I organized inside my mini closet for the most part. So here is all my makeup gonna be here. My makeup, my moisturizing stuff. And then over here are just basically all the books that I had on my desk. And these like basically this is my planner, and then I need to get rid of this like stuff on top. I have to see what I'm gonna do with that first. These are just some old pictures. And then yeah, here's my hair basket, jewelry box, nail polish, and then that's for my makeup brushes. And I still need to organize up here a little bit. These are like all my glasses, old lights that I had up, and then that is like my camera stuff. So I have to get that organized. But yes, so far so good. I'm loving how it looks. So I will see you guys tomorrow. This is what we're looking like when I'm a little bit more prepared. And this is not staying up here, but I think I want to keep this ledge and do like a wig thing. I don't know. We shall see. But yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. So right now you guys are basically seeing my dad installing my vanity. So the vanity was actually put up twice. It was taken down because the first time my sister and my dad put it up, it was crooked. But then the following day, which I did not record, they ended up redoing the vanity because like the mirror was just like super crooked and it just looked weird. So they decided to take it down and put the new vanity up. So you guys can't tell that it was crooked in this video, but it definitely was crooked, and they fixed it. So I'm very thankful. My sister, my dad, and my mom, everybody played a big role in getting this room together. So thank you to them. I just want to say that before this video is done. I just purchased a stool. We need to clean it off. That's why it's out here. So like I said, I got a lot of thrifted stuff because why would I spend so much money when I could just thrift it? So as you guys can't really tell, but it is a little dirty, and we're gonna get it cleaned, and that's why it's out here. We're gonna, oh look, a deer. Look at the deer. Anyways, so yeah, that's what we're about to do now. Hose this down, and then we can get back inside and get this room done. So after the room was finally cleaned and put together, we decided to start putting on my new comforter, because I did get a comforter online from Macy's, and you guys can't really see it in this video clip, but it looked really bad. Like it looked like a big toddler room. I did not like it. The comforter was really flat. It wasn't full. It just looked bad. So I ended up getting a new comforter, which you guys will be seeing me putting on the bed after. It was this white comforter that I got from HomeGoods, which I fell in love with, and I was just glad that I got it. So we were able to get a new comforter about 2 days after I got the original comforter from Macy's, and yeah, I definitely recommend it. You guys should definitely go to HomeGoods to get comforters, and it was about the same price, if not cheaper. And then now I'm just basically taking down all the photos off my closet of old friends. I just did not like it anymore. So yeah, I took that down, and here I am putting up the new comforter that looks so amazing already. It just looks way better. And I did get new pillow. I didn't want as many pillows on my bed, and those old pillows just weren't it. So I used some pillows from my downstairs in the basement from college, and then I got a new pillow from Five Below. And here I am picking up my lights that my dad put up that I did not record as well because we just did this yesterday, and it was like a little bit of a tedious thing to do, but yes, he put the lights up and the lights look so good. You guys will see at the very end how these lights turned out. I can't wait for y'all to see. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys the final reveal of the room, and here we go. So here's what we're looking like. Here's me. Hi guys. So first time you enter, you're just going to see this poster of me. This is going to be like not a full-blown room tour, but just showing y'all like the outer layers. So I might do one later, but so don't get like too frazzled. But yeah, so here's this little station where my fish sits, and this little nightstand is from my sister's school when she used to go to college at her apartment, and now it's mine. These are like all the books that I read, like mostly journals. And the book that I read at the top, How to Be Black, that I'm currently reading right now. And here is like one of my favorite sections. So this is my makeup area. Let me take a move my glasses because my glasses do not go here. So yeah, so I have my laptop basically sits here. When I'm on it, I'm about to go on it now to edit and everything. But it is this super cute vanity area. The stool goes up and down. I love this area so much. Like I'm always over there. To the left is just where like most of my everyday makeup stuff is, and then to the right are like my makeup brushes, and then the lip glosses are on display. And here is the comforter. So if you guys may have not seen my room tour, my apartment room tour at school, you guys would know that this pink throw blanket is what I put on my couch at school to like as like a covered like the ugly blue couch. But yeah, this is from Home Goods, and this comforter is from Home Goods as well. These black pillows are from Five Below, and this white pillow that says California LA, that's from Five Below as well. The black pillows are from my apartment, and then the California LA I just got the other day. And yeah, this bed frame is from Walmart, I believe. I think it's from Walmart. And these curtains are from Home Goods. I have a lot of Home Goods stuff, but it's so cute. I love this room. Dresser, thrifted. Oh, and also this little chair, thrifted as well. And this mirror, thrifted as well. Like I got all these from apps. I think I got the mirror was from Let Go. This stool was from, I got this from Let Go as well. And then my TV, which I got for college, that's from Let Go, and Let Go or Offer Up, one of them. And then this dresser is from Facebook. Someone was giving it away from Facebook because they were moving, and it's basically brand new. Like they only had it for a year, and you can't even tell that it's like an old dresser, like at all. It looks brand new. And here we have this little area. This is where I keep my remotes, my contacts, AirPods, like stuff that's close to reach when I'm in bed. It's just easy. I love this little side table. I've always wanted a side table. I never had one before. Oh, did my earring just fall out in the garbage? Yes, it did. Okay. But yes, super cute. And then I have my garbage right here, which is really close to my bed as well, which is very convenient. And then I just have these little pictures I got from Claire's years ago. And yeah, and here's a little montage of me. It's like from my Sweet 16 of me and like black quotes and such, influential black people. And then up here, Toni is from my Sweet 16 as well. And it's just over here, this is like all my lipstick pencils, lip liners, excuse me, makeup brushes, and these are just lip glosses that I don't really use, but I still use. And yeah, so here's the whole room. Like I said, I don't want to go like do in-depth completely. Super cute. I love it so much. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.